Now we will execute this form. It will set the focus to new. When I press enter key on new, it will move focus to roll number and fires its got focus event. So the color of the text box is changed. Now I will enter the data. When I press enter, the focus moves to next control. Then I will select the city. I will give the birth date. I will select the class and I will enter, and I will enter percentage and I will save it. Now after saving, we are not able to see whether the record is inserted or not. For this we will move to our database folder and we will check the data is inserted. So instead of opening the database folder every time, we will give here a message. After executing the insert query, we will give a message in message box. Data is inserted. Then we will reset the flag value. We will call the form clear method and we will set the focus to new button. So when we execute, the focus moves to new. It will accept the roll number, name, address, then city, birth date, class, percentage, and when we will save it, it will give the message data is inserted and the form is cleared and focus is set to new button. Now to close, on exit button we will write this dot close. Now we are going to modify the existing data. So for this, on modify button we have written the code form clear, flag is set to M and focus is set to roll number. So on roll numbers key down event, we will check if flag equal to M, then we will read the data from the database depend on the value entered in roll number. So we will open the connection first using set connection method. Then we will write a command, OLEDB command, cmd equal to new OLEDB command and cmd equal to new cmd and cmd equal to new OLEDB command, where we will give the select statement, select star from our table name student information, where roll number, that is the field name given for the roll number. So roll number equal to, it is an integer value, so just double quote plus txt roll number dot text plus equal to and comma connection. So when we click on the modify button and on pressing enter key on roll number, it will check the flag value, and if it is M, it will execute the select query where roll number equal to the value entered in the text box. Then we will execute it in DR, that is data reader. So OLEDB data reader DR equal to cmd dot execute reader. Now we will display the data from data reader to our text box. So We will use while loop for displaying the data. So while dr.read, we will read the data from the data reader and we will assign it to the text box. So txt name dot text equal to dr bracket the field name, that is s name dot toString. That is, we are reading the data reader field name s name, converting it to the string value, and we are assigning or we are storing it into the txt name. Similarly, we will set the txt address dot text equal to dr the address field name dot toString. Then we will set the city, which is a combo box. So cmb city dot text equal to dr city. We will write it in double quote dot toString. After city, we will get the birth date. So dtp date dot text equal to dr bdate dot toString. Then we will set the class. So cmb class dot text equal to dr s class dot toString and txt percentage dot text equal to dr. So when we execute it, we will click on modify button. It will ask for roll number. I will enter the roll number 101 and I will press enter. It will display the data from table. Now after changing the data, we have to update it into the database table. So on save button click event, we will check else if flag equal to m. So if it is m, we are going to execute update command. So first we will call the set connection method, then we will declare the OLEDB command cmd equal to new OLEDB command, and in cmd we will execute update command. So cmd equal to new OLEDB command, update student information, that is the table name, set s name equal to, since it is string, we will give first single quote then double quote plus txt name dot text plus double quote single quote comma address, that is s address equal to single quote double quote txt plus txt address dot text plus double quote single quote comma bdate equal to hash double quote plus dtp date dot value plus double quote hash comma city equal to single quote double quote cmb city dot text plus double quote single quote comma s class equal to single quote double quote cmb class dot text and percentage equal to double quote plus txtper dot text plus double quote, and here we will give where condition, that is where roll number equal to double quote plus txt roll number dot text and comma connection. So when flag is M, it will execute the update command and set the values on where condition, where roll number equal to the value given in the text box, and we will execute it with cmd execute non-query. And after this also we will display the message data is updated. So if I execute it, I will select the modify button, I will enter the roll number value and I will press enter. It will display the data. Since we have written everything on key press event, so if we press the enter key, it will display the data. I will update this name and I will save it. It will display the message data is updated. To check this, we can open the data. To check this, we can open the database, or again I will press the modify button. I will enter the value 101. It will display the name changed, that is SSS. Now to delete a particular record, now we will see the delete command. We will click it. Here on delete button, we will call the form clear method first. Then we will set the flag equal to D and we will set the focus to roll number. Now on roll numbers key press event, here we have checked if flag is M, it will display the data. Here we will add the condition if flag equal to M or flag equal to D, it will display the data. And under this we will check if flag equal to D, we are going to delete the data, and before deleting it we will confirm it from the user where you want to delete or not. For this I will display a string msg which will ask you want to delete, and we will add a message box with dialog result equal to message box function message box dot show. We will display the message, so msg comma caption confirm deletion comma message box button dot yes no, and we will check the dialog result. So if result equal to dialog result dot s, it will delete the record from the table. So if the dialog result is yes, it will delete the data from the table. So we will declare, so we will write a command cmd equal to new OLEDB command delete from table where roll number equal to double quote plus txt roll number dot text plus double quote and then connection, and we will execute it we will execute it with cmd dot execute non-query, and we will display the message record deleted. After deleting the record, we will call the form clear method. We will reset the flag and we will set the focus to btn new, and else also it will clear the form, reset the flag and set the focus. And before setting the focus, we will check if flag equal to A or flag equal to M, it will set the focus. So when we execute it and we click on delete button, it will ask the roll number. If I give 101, it will display the data and then it will ask, you want to delete? If I said no, it will clear the form and record will not be deleted. And if I say yes, it will delete the record and clears the form and set focus to the new button. Now if we are entering the data and without saving it, I want to clear the form, by pressing the escape key, we will set the cancel button. For this, on cancel button click event, we will set the flag equal to nil. We will call the form clear method and we will set the focus to BTN new. We will set the cancel button of the form property to BTN cancel. So in property window, the cancel button, I will set it to BTN cancel. So when we execute it, I will press enter, it will ask the roll number, and while entering, if I press escape key, the cancel button is executed and focus is set back to the new button.